Hey, what's up, my friends? So, what's my prediction about XRP? What's the new target of XRP? And what's my opinion to our and this time wholesale or buy? See, everything is this video is gonna be very special for everyone. Please, friend, keep watch this video. Before I get started this prediction, I request you to first of all, if you can see here, this time the crypto market, my friend, is totally complete falls down. You can see here this time exactly the crypto market is very badly falls down. Therefore, my friend, you can see here this time all special coin. You can see your channel link is also in the negative. Oh my goodness, we chain. Oh wow. This time all cryptocurrency has gone down. But XOR in the last 24 hours absolutely they fails down, my friend. So what we do, sell, hold or buy, and what's the target of XRP? They can hit it or now. Everything is gone very important, my friends. So let's get started without any time waste. I request you please click the red button, subscribe our YouTube channel. Keep touch with us. I guide you every time, my brother. If you touch with us, absolutely, my brother, I help you, I guide you. So you just click on the red button. Thanks for subscription, my brother. This time, if you can see here, I already a 7 days result. Okay, open. So this time, my friend, if I draw a chart like this, first of all, I draw a so line number one, and after that, I draw a line number two. Okay. After this, you can see here, there's sometime fails down, sometime take up. Again, you can see here, this is circulation. Exactly, you can see here. So this is a circulation, my friend. You can see here, this is circulation available, my friends. What's the circulation? If you can see here, if they're moving up like a snack, exactly like a snack, my friend, they are zigzagging. You can see here they're moving up like a rocket. But this time you can see here, they very badly fell down, because if you can see here, the highest one is here. But you can see here, after that they cannot touch the highest point. Exactly, but they fails to fail, exactly, fails to fail and moving down. No, try to moving up, but only on moving down. So I mean, it's the price is this time, you can see here 1.78 US dollar. But you can see here in the last 1 hour 1.3 something US dollar. This time you can see here minus 13.62% they fell down. So exactly, my friend, this is very bad chance, because you can see here this time they take a very bad fall. After, if you can see here, this time they also falls down. This is the very highest point, my friend, but this is exactly very highest point, my friend. So wait for a good time, my friends. Hope the good time is coming soon. This time is very bad from XRP. Please pray to the good time is coming soon. And thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, and subscribe this channel for more this type videos.